Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're gonna do another clock review, and this is a trainer clock for kids.
So it comes with a charger. You'll see the buttons. So there are two alarms. This is the alarm. The second alarm. So there's alarm 1, alarm 2. So long press to change the hour. Those are one of the sounds. And it's pretty easy to use. Right now it's in alarm 1, alarm 2. I guess if your kid didn't wake up on the first alarm, there's another alarm that you can set up. So that's why there's alarm 1, alarm 2. But if you just want alarm 1, you can just turn it off. There are 7 white noise. It also tells the temperature inside the house. It's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. You can actually hide if it's too bright, sometimes at night, you can hide the time. So this is the snooze button. So this is such a fun alarm clock, trainer clock for kids. So if you guys want to check out this trainer clock, I will link it in the description box below. And if I have a coupon code for you guys, I will link it in the description box below as well.
Ito na yung gulay ni Father. Dahil si Mother di daw dyan makakakain.
Ayan.
Na may malunggay at sotanghon.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Nakatakas ang mga kuting kasi pinapalabas natin para makalaro. Ngayon ay nagpunta sa parking lot ang mga... Ayun! 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 Nako! Hoy! Nako! Baka madukot.
Come back.
Hoy! Nag-ano na sila guys kasi may ano pang aming dito. So nakakalabas sila tsaka mga kutig nakaka-climb na. Oh boy. Maalamig ngayon kasi bumagyo ng maghapon kahapon. Hindi na tayo mag-harvest ng blackberries kasi yun. Ay, you need ano, yung kanilang
Mama,
fishing.
could you put this down on the
meron kaming
on the gate?
key. Okay.
We could catch them and put.
One by one. Sige, get this one.
Mama, when they're done playing.
Okay, when they're done playing.
They
At
play
least we're
whatever
watching.
they want to hear.
Yeah, yeah. When they're done, you can... Ooh, look at this. Ala, ito guys yung aking... Ala, may nag... Ito yung aking talbos. Lumabas na dito. Babalik natin siya. Ito si Hakalder. Ito, ang lalaki na nila. So, magbubunot mo. Uy, ang laki nito. Ito. Ang masarap to ah. Ay, maasim kasi mapula pa. Asim pa. Ito mga morning glory. Ang dami kasing binudbud ni Ben nung last year. So, bubunutin ko na. Maano to, invasive. Pumupulo-pulupot yan. So, tsaka to, pag nakita to nung dito sa parking lot, i-sprayan niya nung round up. Eh, pati yung halamang ko na i-sprayan. Ayaw nila ng may ganyan. Yung may damo, kaya nililinis ko to. Nakakapaglaro yung mga pusa. Ay, takot talaga yung ano, si Hackle. May ano siya. Photoshoot sa parking lot. Ayan, ang gandang ba? Oh, laki na nila. Okay guys, sobrang init. Hindi na naka-harvest na. Tingnan ko lang, Ben. Wait lang. Itong ating kalabasa dito.
Oh no.
What?
I think it's by the wind.
What? Oh, by the wind. The wind.
Here.
I'm checking the squash. Where's the squash? I thought there's a squash. You told me. Ayun, oh! Uy, laki-laki na lang squash natin. Parang maliit siya. Yeah, pumpkin. I think that's pumpkin. Oh, watch out for you. No, not yet. It's small. You know, because they don't get the sun. Kaya lang, yung sun naman, sobrang init.
Why did you...
You know, because there's no more...
beautiful pumpkin.
Yeah, that is.
It has some patterns. Is
Yeah.
that a pumpkin or squash?
Pumpkin is a squash, so it's like a different variety. Alright, so we don't have ampalaya. I miss ampalaya. Pero puro bulaklak siya, guys. Hindi siya tumutuloy. I miss ampalaya eh. Ay, wala tayo. Ampalaya. Oh, hindi tayo nag-harvest ng blackberries today. Didn't we? Ito oh. Walang nag-harvest ng mainit kasi. Ay, ito pa kuya. Yan, nahulog yung akin.
Thank you. Whoa.
Is it sweet?
It's like wine.
Super sweet. Ito, bintog pero. Ayan, bintog pero. Ay, ito pwede na to. Itong gantong mapula pa, maasim yan. Kaya ano, itong isa na to. Di ba maitim pero may pula, maasim yan. Pagka ganito, yung purong itim, matamis. Let's harvest the. Try muna natin. Naglalaglaga na. Oh. Try muna natin. Ben, you wanna try this? Oh, look at my kamatis is. The kamatis is drying. Kamatis, yeah.
And lots of tomatoes.
So, harvest na natin ang ating grapes.
Are they
Can somebody hold this?
Mama, I tried one today. And they're kind of sweet, but
It's still sour?
they're a little sour.
Oh, so it's not ready yet? Let me see.
They should be a certain size.
Sweet.
Yeah. Alright.
And then,
I want some grape.
can you hold it, Kuya? I'll cut. Put it in our basket. And then this one, let's try muna this one. Sweet.
Oh, okay. Ooh, there you go. Got some grape. Grapey, grapey.
Is it sweet?
Mmm.
Yeah, try this one.
Mmm.
Mm.
Seedless?
That is sweet, Ben. Here. Hold right here. What?
Is it seedless?
Yes. Try that one. Try that one.
The skin is sour.
This one is kind of sour still. This one, let's try this one. Uy, it's falling already. Oh.
No.
This one is sweet. Like candy, Ben. Can you hold this, please? Kasi naglalaglag na siya.
Are they? It's like boba. Yeah.
Medyo sour pa yung iba. So we'll leave this one kasi sour pa. But it's falling already. Kasi naaano siya, guys. Harvest tayo. Uy, wait. Okay, the rest we're gonna leave kasi ano pa, medyo. So yan, guys. Yan yung na-harvest natin na grapes sa ating garden.
Picture of the both of us with the
Oh, okay, come on.
I'll take one.
Okay.
Might fall
In my
apart.
Yeah. And then like this, yeah. Yay! Okay, good job. Good job. And we put it inside the house. One water and then... So, may natira pa guys. Dito kasi medyo maasim pa. Ayun, medyo green pa. Ito dito, maliliit pa. So, naka-harvest na tayo ng grapes natin. Marami-rami yun. Mas marami kaysa last year. Kasi last year, dalawang ano lang, ang tawag doon, buwig. Ganun lang siya. So, mas marami this year. So, that's good. Tapos, yun yung aking mga watermelon. Nasa na yung... Napabayaan ko na yung garden. Sobrang busy na ako. Pero, ito, matamis. Yung bintugan. Para ng wine. Try na ng blackberries. As in, maliit lang to guys nung tinanim ko. Maliit lang siya. Ayan. Naka-harvest din kami kanina ng kamatis. Kinain na. Nilagay ko sa pizza. Nagawa ko ng pizza na yung teka, ito nasa sahig na. Pag nasa sahig, ginuhugasan ko guys. Okay. Alright, dami pang blackberries. Ayan, ang ating garden. Kahit pa paano meron tayong naka-harvest. Mga kamatis. Okay. Ay! Wala. Guys, bukas harvestin na natin to, oh. Patingin nga. Ayan, pwede na to bukas. Ayan, guys. Wala, ang dami na naman nating ano. Ang tawag ito? Malunggay. Oh my goodness, matutuwa ako. Wala, ang pears. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung kailan ba to ha-harvestin. Ang ating pears. Hindi ko alam. Tapos to yung mga buto na ha-harvestin natin pang ano to, yung labanos na mapula, radishes. Okay, ang dami dyang basil, no? Ka-harvest nga ng basil. Pasok muna ako, ang daming lamok. Oh, sobrang init na yun. Sticky yung aking paa.
Oh, you squeeze it? Oh. Can you eat the skin?
Yes. I-squeeze mong ganon. Sweet.
Yeah, so you squeeze it like this.
Okay. And then
So yun guys, could you eat the skin?
yeah, you can. And we don't spray this, guys, so it's all natural. It's like candy. Wow, that's
Last
good.
year we had more good.
Really? It's sweeter?
Yeah, sweeter.
Oh, because we waited like till it turns yellow.
So we have to eat it before the bugs eat it.
Yeah. Hi guys, sobrang pawis na pawis. As to pala yung binili ko na oregano sa sa Trader Joe's. Hindi ako makabuhay ng oregano, so in-research ko siya kung paano. Ayan, nabuhay siya, may maliliit ng dahon. Napaka kasi ganda ng oregano daw sa katawan, kaya gusto kong magpaano niyan, gawing tsaa. Ayan guys. Alright, see you later guys.